Okay, question number 33. The line x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. What does it say? X upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Your a and b are positive, first thing. In such questions, we need to understand that what is the examiner trying to say. And we need to do according to the requirement of the question. At any point, it intersects what? X-axis and y-axis. The line intersects the x-axis and the y-axis. That means this is your x, this is your y, this is your line. Let's assume this is A and this is B. This line has an equation which is x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. And if it says it intersects the x-axis, so I can give the name to the coordinates. This can be A comma 0 and this can be 0 comma B. This can be A comma 0, this can be 0 comma B. Because normally the coordinates are there, A is defined by X and Y is defined by B now. So what we can do is, through the coordinates, we can find the midpoint. A is equal to A comma 0. A is equal to A comma 0, whereas B is equal to 0 comma B. I can easily take out midpoint using the midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Why am I doing this? Because the midpoint of AB, the midpoint of AB. So this is going to be A plus 0 upon 2, 0 plus B upon 2. So midpoint is A upon 2 comma B upon 2. Midpoint is A comma 2 and so let's say this is A upon 2 comma B upon 2, which is the midpoint. Now, lies on the line 2x plus y is equal to 10. Lies on the line 2x plus y. So that means there is a line and that line is crossing. I can draw it from anywhere. Let's say this is AB, A and B. This is your midpoint and there is a line that is crossing what? Your midpoint, and this has an equation of 2x plus y is equal to 10. So that means the midpoint you already know was A upon 2, B upon 2. So 2x plus y is equal to 10. 2 is equal to A upon 2 plus B upon 2 is equal to 10. Because since that midpoint is lying on this line, which means I can use the equation and the coordinate to find out my equation in terms of A and B. Considering this, this should be A plus B upon 2 is equal to 10. 2A plus B is equal to 20. This becomes your equation, because normally the question is already given. This is 2A plus B. 2A plus B is equal to what? 20. Now, since this is the equation of A and B, the other thing is the distance of AB is 10. Now, there's a line. This is A, this is B, this was A comma 0, this is 0 comma B, the distance between these two is 10. And the distance is taken out through what? 0 minus b square plus a minus 0 square should be equal to 10. B square plus a square is equal to 100. This is another equation. If we simultaneously solve these two equations, let's say 20 minus 2a is b. So b square plus a square is equal to 100. 20 minus 2a whole square plus a square is equal to 100. 400 minus 220 the 40, 42 the is 80a plus 4a square plus a square is equal to 100. 5a square minus 80a plus 300 is equal to 0. This will be a square minus 16a plus 60 should be equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in front of us. So factors for this will be 10a minus 6a plus 60 is equal to 0. A minus 10 minus 6, a minus 10. So a is equal to 6 and a is equal to 10. So you have two values for a, which is a is equal to 6 and a is equal to 10. So knowing the fact, b will be 20 minus 2a, b will be 20 minus 2a. d is equal to 20 minus 2, 6. 20 minus 12, d becomes what? 8. b is equal to 20 minus 2, 10. b is equal to 20 minus 2, 20. So b is equal to what? 0. So the answer for a will be a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 8, because the question clearly said that where a and b are positive constants. So that means there should be the numbers. So we will eliminate a 10 and b 0.